Hi, my name is Percy Bachway, and I've been coming here for a little over a month now, and I already feel so much relief from all the chiropractic help that I've been getting here, all the exercises and stuff. And the most improved part of me is my shoulder function, because back in the day I couldn't touch my shoulders, I couldn't touch my fingers when I tried to do this exercise right here, like this space right here. But now, anytime, without even thinking about it, I can just do that and my fingers touch like that. So already I feel so much relief, and it feels great. I feel so much better, and I could not feel better. So I'm very thankful.
Now, would you refer anyone to come in?
Oh yeah, definitely. I definitely would, because we walk around with so much problems we don't even know we have, and you come here and there's stuff they do to you and help you. You just feel so much better about yourself, and you get to do things that you didn't know you could do, and you just live life more comfortably. So I would definitely recommend anyone who has any sort of pain to come here and get checked out and live a better, healthy life.